this time is really, really amazing. The people here, the mood here, the sentiment here, the number of people here, the quality of buyers here. It is really very encouraging. It's amazing to see the general sentiment being so positive, and it's almost like setting a new direction for the industry. So very happy to be here, and I've seen the quality of the show improve every year. The facilities have improved every year. The presentations have improved every year. So compliments to the Gartex team. Very well done.
I am really today very pleased to be here in the Denim Show. If you see what our theme is about, time to meet again, and really that is what we literally mean. We are meeting all the players in denim industry after 2 years. But what is most impressive is that in the Denim Show, as you see, the footfalls are very positive. There's a very large increase in numbers. People are really feeling buoyant. There's a lot of positive feelings, there's a lot of energy, and this show has really brought in some spark in us. So it's good to see customers as well as our suppliers. I'm really happy today to be here.
We at Jindal have been participating in the Denim Show at Gartex for a long time. We have been the largest producers of denim in the entire Asia. We have been getting a great response from the show. We have been receiving great footfalls. This time we are surprised to see a lot of customers coming from outside India, like Peru, South America, Colombia, Bangladesh, Egypt, Turkey. So we really see this show is going international, and it's giving us a great response, and we are glad to be a part of this, and we'll continue to do so for the coming years.
This Gartex DMA show, we have almost about 27 denim producers exhibiting. All of them have got very good business here. We have got customers from all over India, primarily from Delhi, NCR region, Bangalore, Bombay, Calcutta. Also, there were international buyers from South America, Egypt, Bangladesh. The growth of this industry is almost 10% per annum, and in future we see lot of demand for denim fabric.